looks like a tent right there, though. So.
Oh my goodness.
There's your gold, Aiden, you've been looking for.
Yeah, there's gold.
Might be somebody buried under there.
Is there concrete? Oh my gosh, what is under there?
Oh yeah, it's probably concrete.
No, it's wood. There may be a
hole down
porch.
there. It looks like there's a. Is it a secret room? I think
It's a secret room.
I think there's. But we don't know that.
How deep does it go, Aiden? How deep does it go?
To look like that. I think it goes way down there. I think it runs to. What happens if it leads to?
It's not that deep.
What happens if it leads?
It's a tiny branch. Look how tiny it is. We're gonna have to get a better chainsaw. I want to ask you a big favor. Over 50% of you that watch my videos are not subscribed. Please go down there, click subscribe. That way I can bring you more awesome entertainment. Every time you hit that like button, I'm gonna send you luck, like through my body, through my soul, into your spirit. You're gonna get it, guys. You deserve it. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to comment.
Too much drama.
Mama, get off Facebook.
Good enough.
Aiden, what are you doing? It's Papa on the tractor.
I think he likes playing on it.
Probably. Y'all don't have a tractor memo?
Closest thing is
That
a
golf
lawnmower.
cart. He takes Stacy to the bus stop in the morning, picks her up in the bus stop in the evening on the golf cart.
Where's the bus stop? In the street?
There's their code and it's the stop sign.
Uh-oh, is he getting the lens?
I laughed. I don't know why in the world he went out in his Jeep. But he did. I wondered if his white truck went under, but he went out in his Jeep. Started going down lane. Electricity went out. Came back in his Jeep with no top. He couldn't get in the garage with it because the electricity was out, so he couldn't open the garage. And he didn't have a key in the house. So he was locked out in his Jeep with no top on it. In the rain.
Uh-oh, she don't want him. She don't want to be his friend. She's running from him and he's trying to get her. Oh wait, no, that's a boy. They're two boys. They're two boys. Oh shoot. Got some right here. Bam. Move. Get. Skip. Skip. Scat. Puppy dog. That's how she's. Alright. What? Oh, I like your ball. Oh, shoot. I like your hat, babe. You're so handsome. Y'all are strong. Finally, an empty room. It's so nice. So nice, Aiden. It's just so nice. All right. It's getting better. It's getting better. Are you excited?
No.
You're not excited to have a third house?
You already have it.
Where?
Right here, the cabin.
It's not a house.
We have 4 houses.
No, not
We
yet.
got the shop. We got our house. We got the cabin.
Here,
We got
take this.
All right, take that, Aiden. You're big boy. Oh my goodness. Would y'all want some sweet tea? You want ice in your sweet tea? All right, guys, I got the guys some sweet tea. They're working so hard over here.